Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide header and footer on your Squarespace website. After logging into Squarespace dashboard, we have to go to at first custom CSS option. Then we have to do the custom CSS to hide the header and footer. So for the header and footer, the header and footer tag, then just use the display none. That's it. So after saving, see here are no header and footer. If you want to hide header and footer for any specific page, you have to go to the pages option, then you have to click on the setting option. You have to click on the page setting option, then you will go to advanced. Then we have to just mention the style tag, then the same process. Display none. So save it. See, the header and footer is hidden for the home page, but if you click on the other page, you will see the header and footer. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching my video.